If you're looking to block out noise at your commercial property, you need our new modular acoustic panel fencing. Our latest modular acoustic panel fencing, ZorbX, is weather resistant, pre-painted and lightweight, offering an absorptive noise reduction rating of NRC 0.95. Easily integrated into most commercial applications, this fully engineered, powder-coated fencing is the answer to your noise reduction needs. So how does it work? Simply put, travelling sound waves are trapped by a custom absorptive layer that sits behind the small perforations in the fencing's outer layer, essentially stopping noise in its tracks. The result? All residual reflected noise is decreased by up to 95%, making ZorbX one of the most superior acoustic panel fencing products on the market. And the best part? Additional reflective layers and insulation have been inserted behind the initial absorptive layers of ZorbX to provide further sound reduction for your neighbours. An added bonus for businesses who need to make noise without disturbing surrounding properties. Previously, we offered noise reflective solutions for our clients' noise reduction needs. But after receiving requests for noise absorption options, we tasked our engineers with the job of creating a fencing system that would result in maximum sound absorption, all the while maintaining the core features of our alternate modular panel fencing products. The result is ZorbX, and our clients couldn't be happier with its noise reduction power. So, if you need to block out noise at your commercial residence, ZorbX is the product for you. Want to know more? Call our Wallmark team on 1300 925 562 or head to www.wallmark.com.au. We look forward to working with you on your next fencing project.